Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a recipe to keep your body young, healthy and in good shape. Before we go ahead with this recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. To prepare this recipe, first we need to take 70 grams of ginger. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Ginger is used to treat mild stomach upset, to reduce pain of osteoarthritis, and used in heart disease, and it helps boost immunity. The next ingredient we need is an orange. Wash the orange using baking soda. 1 orange a day can boost your immunity, improve the appearance of your skin, maintain your vision, prevent heart-related diseases, reduce the development of ulcers in the stomach, prevent loss of hair. Oranges also boost immunity, reduce cancer risk, aid in treating diabetes, anemia, and polycystic ovary syndrome, and help reduce kidney stone risk. Now take the orange zest using a grater. Cut the oranges and add it. Now take some mint leaves, rinse it well with cold water, and cut into pieces. Now add all the ingredients into a blender. Then add a teaspoon of turmeric to it. Turmeric is rich in phytonutrients that may protect the body by neutralizing free radicals, pollution, sunlight, prevent cancer, lower cholesterol and shield the cells from damage. Next, squeeze 1 lemon and take the juice of it. Lemon helps reduces inflammation, aids digestion, helps you lose weight, cleanses your system, and boost immune system. Add the lemon juice to the mixture. Now blend all the ingredients well. Then strain the mixture using a strainer or a cheesecloth. Pour 3 tablespoons of it with mineral water and drink it. This sip is enough to revitalize the body and maintain health. It is better to drink it immediately. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 6 hours. This drink raises the immune system and protects the body from bacteria. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more contents to become fitter, healthier and more confident.